Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give my first impressions on the Eden Bodyworks Almond Marshmallow collection, so let's get started. So this collection consists of the Split End Repair Mask, the Therapy Leave-In Conditioner, and the Hydration Serum. So I co-washed my hair off camera, and I'm going to prep my hair for the Repair Mask. And I was into my music. Y'all know Mary J. Blige, Takes You There. So I'm adding a little bit more water. And you can see that this mask is thick and really creamy. And I applied the mask at my ends and worked my way up to the roots. And this mask had me on 10. It has really good slip, it has a citrus smell, and it just melted right into my hair. Now this mask is designed to prevent any additional damage to your ends, which means that you definitely need to make sure that you put in the work to ensure that your ends are in good shape. After coating each section with the mask, I'm going to apply almond oil to seal in some of the moisture and sit under the dryer for 40 minutes. Once the mask is rinsed out, I'm taking the Therapy Leave-In Conditioner and applying it to smaller sections of my hair. So I'm spraying a little bit of water and a leave-in conditioner and taking my Demon brush to ensure that my hair is covered in a leave-in conditioner. And this conditioner didn't have that much slip, but it definitely left my hair really soft, and it is lightweight as well. Moving on to the hydration serum, I really took my time to apply the serum. And as you can see, the serum really provided great definition and shine. And it's designed to protect against daily pollution and heat damage. After air drying overnight, I'm just going to begin styling my hair to my preference. Now I do want to stress that the Eden Bodyworks Almond Marshmallow line is a treatment system, not a styling system. So this one really defined my curls, but for my curls to have some type of hold, I had to use a styling product, and I just used the Eden Bodyworks Curl Defining Cream. So overall, this line is great. The mask has great slip, the leave-in conditioner left my hair really soft, and the serum defined my curls extremely well. And that completes my first impressions of the Eden Bodyworks Almond Marshmallow line. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you later.